Hello, in front of me I have Vivax Lifefit Hero Kids smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to set up the alarm clock on this device. To set up the alarm clock on this device, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the HardReset Pro application. Once the devices are paired, you can open the HardReset Pro application on your phone. In the application, you should see the main page right here. Now, let's tap on the profile icon right here in the top left corner. Then tap on Watch Alarm. And here let's tap on the plus button to add a new alarm. Now we can set the time. Basically, we can swipe up and down to set the hour, then minutes. And once you're done setting the time, you can enable the option to repeat, and you can select the days on which the alarm should repeat. So if you turn it off, it's gonna ring only once, and if you enable the option to repeat, it's gonna ring on the selected days. And once you're done, tap on save. And here we have our alarm. We can enable it or disable it by tapping on the switch. We can tap on it to edit it, and also remove it if we need to. If you want to remove it, tap on delete alarm and delete, like this. And that's how you set up the alarm clock on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.